this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the flashlight on your Xiaomi phone. Now this is really easy to do. You can just swipe down from the top, and under these widgets here's flashlight. You can just turn this on right here, and then you got your flashlight to use. Now you can also find this through your different settings too. You can find different shortcuts to turn it on. Some of them may be a chopping motion, or it could be holding down a different button. So we can go to settings, search, and just type in flashlight, and there should be some custom quick options for the flashlight. It says turn on flashlight, additional settings. So we can go here. It says double press the power button to use it. Alright, so let's turn this on. So you can just use the power button at any point in time to turn on your flashlight. So look for additional settings or the little widget, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.